Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about the new create image in ChatGPT 4.0. So they removed the branding Dolly from ChatGPT, and it's just ChatGPT 4.0 images, I guess now. And I want to talk about it because it's very good. It's not as good as Midjourney, I think, but it's very good. Because Midjourney has lots of edit options, and this doesn't have that. But I created a basket like this for a project that I'm working on, and it's very good. It's very realistic. It's very usable, and it gave me a background also. And chatting with uh, your images like this is a very good experience other than Midjourney. I've created lots of images on Midjourney, but this feels even better because Midjourney you just go and create images, and you can create a new image, or you can go in and edit that image using these options. But in ChatGPT, it's much like you are talking with it, not really you are creating images and going out. So it's a better experience, I think, chatting with image. But again, Midjourney is like the better platform. I saw some images here. These are like very good. These images, so these are all generated by 4.0 image generation, and yeah, it's not as good as some of the images in Midjourney, but it handles text very well, and it's very easy to work with, I guess. And yeah, that's it. So this is probably a step in right direction. I am not gonna cancel my Midjourney subscription yet, but if it's going to go in this direction, if it's much more editable like this, and probably I'll just have one subscription for AI image generation, that is ChatGPT 4. Yeah, that was my review on ChatGPT 4 image generation. Let me know if you want me to search for something, or like create a new image. If you want some prompts, and I'll check it out. That's it for this video. Bye bye.